Hi, this is the Arcus 3D P1. Today I mounted, well, that light is not working very well. Today I mounted the pick and place head on the C1 and got it wired up. It's kind of a mess, but hey, you know, it'll get cleaned up once it actually works. So PWM for the light isn't working, so I just have it turned on, although I turned it on in code, but the code that turns it on from here isn't working. Also, the code for this isn't working either, so I can't flip the mirror, but I can rotate the mirror or the rotation circle, and the scale on that is correct now. So, and it moves, but I'll show you homing. The torture script I wrote for this, it goes below where this pick and place head is, so I destroy it. So that is where we're at. I have more work to do, more coding. Check back.